The GHL series wet mixing granulator is an electromechanical integrated device that combines PLC variable frequency control technology. It is one of the essential pieces of equipment in the production process of solid dosage pharmaceuticals. It is suitable for mixing, granulating, and pelletizing powdered materials in industries such as pharmaceuticals, food, and chemicals. This machine is equipped with a wet granulation system, optimizing the process flow, reducing labor intensity, and solving the problem of cross-contamination caused by frequent material transfer. It fully complies with GMP requirements for pharmaceutical production. The machine features a vacuum feeding function, which can be operated in both batch and continuous modes. Vacuum feeding is achieved by using a vacuum source to create negative pressure in the material tank through a filter on the top of the tank. Once feeding is completed, the vacuum valve closes and the vent valve opens under the action of the Z-type mixing paddles. The material undergoes rotational and tangential tumbling motion while being pushed from the center of the tank toward the edges. Once the material reaches the tank wall, the direction of force changes, causing the material to rise along the wall. This results in complete fluidization as the material reaches the conical section of the tank. The direction of force changes again according to the angle of the cone, and the material falls back to the center. The material enters the next fluidization process, achieving uniform mixing.